ever felt the issue with folding your stuff inside of your car? Well, I had. And it sucks. On paper, every car nowadays is just perfect. When things go to real life, well, it gets complicated. But guys, today I found something very interesting. The car which might be a solution to every space problem. Onvo L80. Onvo L80 is the twin sister of Onvo L90. A tiny bigger sister. Look at them. They look very alike on outside. Same beautiful eyes, very cute face, and very deep 220 liters personality inside, with of course different setup. The dimensions of these cars are exactly the same. The side profile is exactly the same. The door step, which is powered automatically, is exactly the same. Hidden door handle for aerodynamic and just beautiful exterior are exactly the same. Even the end of the car is exactly the same. Just like every other twin sisters. But guys, what really is different is what's inside, not outside. Let me show you. Inside, guys, is where the things get totally different. Once you are sitting in the driver's seat, you don't feel big difference yet. Just like you meet the twin sister for the first time. But the deeper you go, the more you realize how different they are. Just look behind. Voila, guys. Only 5 seats here. No more annoying third row behind. For people like me with a small family, it's totally useless. We need more space here. Now we have a really good handrest with the pocket and the remote controller. Nice TV. Small screen here which controls the air conditioner seats and, of course, the fridge. Fully automatic heating, cooling, maintaining the temperature for up to 24 hours, even you leave your car unattended. The table, your kid will never escape homework again, even in the road trip. No more excuses. But then you ask me, guys, what do we do with all this space which we used to have for the third row? Let me show you. I have several ideas in my mind. Let's go. For those who is really into deep adventure, Onvo L80 can be an amazing companion. Look at this, guys. I can set up the tent on the top of the car. Does it remind you of a tree house which you always dreamt of when you were a kid? I used to have one and I loved it. This is so much fun. It is so cool. I have a sea, I have palms, I have beach, and I'm in my car. But if you're afraid to stay on the top of your car, it's not a problem. Let me show you. Ta-da! If you have more than 2 people coming together and somebody is already staying on the top, you still have enough space here. 2 meters long, 1.6 meters wide bed is all for you to have fun all overnight. Plus, in the morning, you can use this to serve a breakfast to bed for your beloved one. Or you can make your kid do homework here. Another way to utilize the space in this tremendous SUV, guys, is to have a surprise for your family. For those who really like to go out and have a beautiful romantic setup, but not just enjoy it, but actually cook. Look at this, Onvo got you covered. We have the whole IGT table hidden inside the trunk of your car. Everything is prepared particularly for this car. You even have a water with a pump to wash your fruits and demonstrate your cooking skills, which I sadly don't have. And guys, while your Frunk is occupied by the IGT table, you are not lack of space. Your trunk and two sub-trunks, guys, two, can fit in not just all your personal belongings, but you can pack up this whole outdoor setup. The top, table, chairs, the cart, and even the barbecue. Yes, guys, you're not mistaken. All of this, including IGT table, and you don't need to fold a single seat. What else do you want? For people like me, guys, who really like cycling and outdoor sports activities, Onvo L80 can be a really good companion. Take a look, please. 3 bikes for adults, with bags, with all the equipments, can be easily packed in the trunk. Don't forget, you still have space underneath to put anything else. Plus, this massive trunk where you could put small suitcase, helmet, safety first of course, and small stuff which you need for a cycling trip. I think it's an amazing way to utilize your space. If you're a young entrepreneur and you just begin your career, this car can be a really good beginning. Look at this, you can make a coffee shop on the wheels and drive anywhere you like, set this up and sell a perfect coffee or even cocktail in the evening. Onvo L80 got you covered with 220 volt inside the car and 2 huge sub-trunks to put the clean and dirty water tanks. Amazing setup. Guys, who want to try it? These guys are just a couple of scenarios which I was thinking about, you know, but there's so much more to go. Do you know why do we have Pony here? Do you want to go for a ride, baby? I think she wants. When L90 was released, it was a huge shock for the market. It was such an innovation. The first car which utilizes all this space, ultra long chassis, and of course a super large trunk. L80 is even more than that. It's like a twin sister, but better, because you have huge platform for your own innovation. Underneath this car is basically the same. Same platform, same architecture, same chassis, same parameters. But this car would drive much cooler than L90 because it is lighter, as we don't have this third row. It is more agile, it will give you more fun and of course more range. Plus, we have this beautiful Aston Martin green color, which I absolutely love. As I showed you before, guys, this can be a huge platform for your creativity. You can make so many scenarios to enjoy this car in the nature, in business, or in surprising your family and friends. Let me know in the comments down below which scenario you like the most, or share your own ideas of how you can utilize all of this space and opportunity. I am Nick, and I will see you in the next review.